In this work, we were able to leverage the power of Frontier to perform some of the largest simulations that have ever been done for microstructure and additive manufacturing. The key challenge that we're trying to overcome is that in an additive manufacturing problem, we're trying to simulate these features that are at a very small scale. So instead, we took a different approach where we actually split up our simulations in time. The largest simulation that we were able to do using the current state-of-the-art techniques, even using all of Frontier, would have taken more than 10 years to perform that simulation. Our code was able to do that in only a minute. It's more than 1,000,000 times faster than what was previously possible. And what the simulation work here allows us to do is to predict what the microstructure of the materials that we make by additive manufacturing actually are. And those predictions enable us to then understand how our manufacturing processes will affect the properties and the lifetime. So the impact is with the research that we're performing and the applications we're applying it to, but it's also going to be used by engineers and scientists around the world to be able to do all sorts of things, even beyond what we would imagine.